Hello viewers, what's up you? I'm Sajidz and you're watching Sajidz Take. This video guys, I'm going to talking with you about how you can track your friends' current location that's accurately correct for you guys. So how you can do this in this video guys, I'm going to talking with you about. Before that here, I request you again for you guys, please subscribe my channel, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start it. So here you can track your friends' current location. It may be your parents, it may be your child, or it may be your girlfriend or your boyfriend or your best friend, anyone. You can track that man's location by here. So what you have to do is that here you need to make your WhatsApp updated, and you have to make him request for that please update your WhatsApp version in your Android mobile, and it might be get in the up to the 4.3 version in the Android for WhatsApp. So now here it's my WhatsApp, and here I just go to in the WhatsApp from there. Suppose that you need to go to here in your days there, and from here you need to just send him the where are you. I just send him that where are you. It's like I just see the messages there, and here from she will reply me as it is. And from here to get her location, accurate location from there, you need to request her to send an current image of her or him by tagging a time and the current location. To get it, for that you need to go to the camera from there, and here it is. Suppose that this is my camera, and from here I just take an image of mine or anything there, and here I just take it there, and it's just okay there. And after that here it just take it there and there, and from here you need to just go to here in this face there, and there are all the stickers are there, and here have also some things are there, and here it is. It's the time tracking there, and from there you can make your time, and it always show you the current time and the current location of yours there. And whenever she just take here the location from there like that, this is the location, that time it will just see you guys only the current location is there, and she has to select the current location only, so that because there have the others locations are there, but all the locations is like public locations, and she can't take this location because she just send you guys the current image of her at your home. That means she is in home, and if she here send you an image like the 9 against DAT market, that means it's a market, and if just she send you this market location that time it's really wrong. So for that she has to send you the select the current location, and she just send you the current location from there, and from here you can also get the current location here is there, and now just send it there, and by that it just send you guys there, and it's just uploaded there. And after just uploading it there, and you will know that where she is, and whenever you just tap on this, the time you will get the see the location of there, and it just go to take you in the Google from there, and here it is. It's her current location. It might be her current location, but there have a good advantage for you guys is that here this is the image for you guys, and here this is the time tag, and here this is our location tag. But here in the whenever you just go to the gallery from there, the time you will not get those there in the WhatsApp there. Here it is. It's you do not get it in your gallery there. That means all the tags are erased, and it's only on your WhatsApp images only. That means in your WhatsApp chats only. So by that you can track your friends' current location from there. So that's it from me guys, and you guys, I hope you just get a really interesting thing from this video. And if you guys just like this video, then I request you guys please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.